In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute students in Google Classroom. Muting is a simple, effective way to keep your class conversations focused. In Google Classroom, mute doesn't silence a student's microphone. Instead, it limits their ability to post to the stream and add class comments. They can still submit assignments, receive feedback, and send private comments to you. Think of it as pausing their public participation while preserving their ability to learn and turn in work. Let's get started on the web. First, open Google Classroom and make sure you're on the home page where you see all of your classes. If you manage multiple classes, double check that you're signed in with your teacher account and that you're selecting the class where you want to make the change. A quick tip, the steps are most consistent in a desktop browser, though the flow is similar in the mobile app. Click the class card to open the class you want to manage. Once you're inside, look along the top menu and select the People tab. This tab shows teachers at the top and students underneath. It's the best place to manage individual student permissions because you can see everyone at a glance and take action without digging through settings. Find the student you want to mute in the students list. Click the student's name or the row to highlight it and reveal the available actions. Depending on your view, you may see an actions menu next to their name. The key is to select the student so the moderation option is clearly available. Choose mute from the options. Before you confirm, remember what this does. It prevents the student from posting in the stream and from adding class comments on posts or assignments. It does not remove the student from the class, and it does not block them from turning in work or sending you private comments. This is helpful when you need to curb disruptions without cutting off learning. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click mute again to finalize. After you confirm, you'll see an indicator next to the student showing they're muted. If you ever need to restore their posting privileges, you can return to the same place and change it back. It takes effect immediately for that class only, so other classes are not affected. That's it. You went to your class, opened people, selected the student, chose mute, and confirmed. Use this thoughtfully, communicate expectations with your students, and you'll keep your class discussions productive and respectful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Google Classroom with confidence.